Hi everybody, I hope you had a great spring break. Much deserved, hope you got to relax. I figured I would do a little video about welcoming everybody back and telling you what to expect for the rest of the semester, because here we are online. So this is our course, and this is the section of our course that has the syllabus. So I hope everybody feels comfortable going to this place and seeing what the deadlines are. That's the first thing that I want to tell you. So down here, you can see you've got something due coming up Sunday night, chapter 10, a discussion, homework, and the learning curve assignments. And then we're just going to keep marching through with chapter 13. We've got some extra credit. We've got chapter 15, chapter 16, and here we are into the final and exam 3. So that's where you can see a lot of the deadlines, but I'm also going to be emailing reminders. Where do those reminders show up in the announcements? I hope everybody is checking the announcements. I make a lot of announcements. If you don't have your Canvas notifications set up correctly to get these announcements, let me know. But this is where I'll be sending information and people will have a better sense of what's going on. Where everything is going to live is in the modules. Hopefully everybody's become comfortable with that. So we finished module on chapters 8 and 9 before the break. Here we are in the module that's chapter 10 and 13. This is where you're going to start when you come back from break. I've got an overview of the module here. Tells you what you're going to do, what you're going to learn. You just click to go to the next. What are you going to see next? You're going to see an overview of the chapter from me and a video lecture that you could click on here. I have a link to the slides that are in the files here. And then once you've read everything, you just go forward and do the assignments. And you're going to walk through each module just like this. So you'll see if I keep going, here you are, you're going to see the learning curve. You'll see the next chapter 10 homework. What else will you see? You'll see the discussion that you need to participate in. So what's going to happen in this part of our course is that the discussions are going to be added into exam scores. And so what I've done is reduce the amount of points on the exams to give everybody an incentive to participate in the discussions, things that we would have been doing in class, but it's also a way to earn points rather than just having the exams be so high stakes. So where will you see the exams? They're going to be the same dates that were in our syllabus from the beginning of the course. So you're going to get through the module in chapter 10 and 13. Then you're going to go into the modules 15 and 16. It's going to open up when it's available. You see here is chapter 15 with the lecture slides. Then we're going to have a discussion here. Here's chapter 16, and then lo and behold, a review sheet for exam 3. And here's where your exam 3 is. That is the date that everybody was supposed to have it. If this is my Tuesday, Thursday class, you're May 13th. If this is my Monday, Wednesday class, then it would have been May 12th. Okay, then the last thing I want to tell you about is the final. I've made some changes with that. We are no longer going to be having an exam for the final that's multiple choice. It will be one essay. And I've given you some instructions about what the essay will be here in the module. This is way in the future, right? Everybody's final exams are scheduled based on the school calendar. So my Tuesday, Thursday class, you're May 19th. My Monday, Wednesday class, you're May 18th. And the idea is it's going to be one essay. And I'm going to have you link what you've learned in the class, and I've got it here, to the impact on the economic impact of the pandemic. So you're going to get to do some research, answer one essay, and it's not about how well you write, it's about what you can tell me, and when you get the question on that day, you'll have all day to answer it. You're going to type it in online. I will be sure to go over this more later, but that's one of the big changes in the class. So hopefully everybody feels like they have a sense of what's happening in the class when you come back from spring break, but of course I'll be holding office hours. You can reach me via email. I hope you're all healthy and well and rested and ready to finish strong. Thanks. See you soon online. Bye.